Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we will be making some lamb chops. To be specific, garlic herbs lamb chops with some salad on the side. So stick around and let's do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with washing our hands as per usual. And then we're gonna rinse and wash our meats. Nice rack of lamb. Also here you see garlic, fresh oregano, fresh parsley, rosemary, and mints. So we're gonna be mixing all this together alongside with some extra virgin olive oil, and also some black pepper and some salt. So let's mix it up, guys. Yeah. So I basically eyeballed everything here, but do not worry. I have the ingredients and the recipe, however you guys like to refer to it, just down in the description box. So do not panic, y'all. By the way, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells absolutely heavenly. Alright guys, it's time to mix. One of my favorite part. Oh yes, mix it all up. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start our marination. So we want to make sure that we spread this all over the meat equally, so every bite will be awesome. Ooh, look at that. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up and put it in the fridge for Alright guys, it's time to fry. Alright guys, we're gonna make sure that we leave the meat in the frying pan for a while. Let it cook from the inside out. Look at this. Nice and brown. And, oh, Lord. This looks absolutely gorgeous. salad to eat that with, because you know, all that meat, we need some greens. Yeah, we're gonna have salad on the side with our lamb chops. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. While we are quarantined, it's always a good thing to just cook and eat, right? This smells so good, guys. I wish you guys can smell it through the video. Alright guys, give it a try and let me know. And if you have any questions, do not forget to comment below, okay? So guys, like, share, subscribe to this video. I have other dishes coming up. And if you want to know how I made the salad or what's in my salad, just comment below and I'll probably make a video about it. Take care guys. Bye.